Hi, it's Amy with WTI. You may be like me, I need complete quiet when I'm going to sleep at night. I live on a main road, I have kids, so this is very difficult. I need really good earplugs, and I have found them with these PQ wax silicone pillows. These work fantastic. My favorite thing about them is that they easily conform to your ear, essentially capping your canal, not being shoved inside of it. You take one ear pillow and you warm it up by rubbing it between both hands, and then you insert it, press it, and then noise is blocked out. I am sleeping much better using these. They come in this compact cardboard box that's great for traveling with. The affordability and small quantity really is perfect for first time users. They last a really, really long time too. You can wash them when it's needed and then reuse them. I'm a side sleeper, so I love that I can comfortably sleep on my side with them. They don't fall out, and there's no annoying pressure feeling. These PQ ear pillows are a must have if you have any noisy sleep disturbances like nearby construction, barking dogs, a snoring spouse, or busy kids. I found them really helpful for when I'm studying as well, and they're waterproof, so will protect ears if swimming too. There's a time for noise, and there's a time to block the world out and have some quiet time and get some sleep. These get the job done. I love them, and that's my point of view.